getting involved in this type of youth and education, organizing, you see so many amazing impacts, and I've gotten to witness thousands of them, which I'm grateful for. I've seen young people who have just arrived in the US find their voice, find their power, and then use that power to support their peers, to support the teacher in their classroom. One of our young people, Vidi, who came to school here at Overfelt, within a year of getting involved in CFJ, she was trying to find ways for fellow English learners who are from all different countries find more supports in their schools. And she, by being involved in youth organizing, a young person is able to really fan the fire that was already in them, and fan that fire into something that supports their success in schools, success in life, but also it spreads out to the peers and the community around them. And so with every single young person that is transformed, that finds their voice and power through this work, their community benefits, our schools benefit, and that's the kind of triple effect that you have when you really make space for young people to lead.